Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or hide chats on the Palworld game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Palworld game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to disable or turn off chat, then go ahead and click on Options. Now within the Options page, click on Game Settings. And now you will see the Hide Chat option for the respective controller that you have chosen. Within this page, you can just choose the On option if you wish to disable chat or hide it from your game. After this, press the Escape button and choose Yes to apply your changes. Now you can continue your game with the chat mode disabled, and you can come back to this page at any point of time, go into Game Settings to turn this off if you wish to re-enable your chat. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off or disable chats on the Palworld game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.